I'm Wenjia. I bought 3 big black gold abalones this morning. It cost 1,140 yuan for 41 people. 280 yuan per jin. This lamb leg plus one cost 900 yuan. 75 yuan per jin. This total 2,040 yuan. Today, I'll braise this black gold abalone with lamb leg. The boss who framed the fish for this black gold abalone. Oh my god, it's the most nourishing. We can't be stingy with this. This is black. This meat leg. This is the same size as those in our local area, haha. 75 yuan per jin, really? Washed. Take it to stew. Chop peppers. Civilization on the island. All chopped up. Add some shrimp. Pour in, blanch in water, add fragrant old wine, cover the pot, and add sponge treasure, abalone. Handle the text situation. Discard civilized driving. Drive more steadily. Stop at Huangdu Entertainment FM. A total of 20, add more seasoning. This one is more beautiful than that one. The guts are a little smaller than what I poured out. I adjust a head of garlic with vinegar, changing it to 6 yuan and 8. 539 yuan. Stewed. Water down. It's done when it's copied and it's up again. He comes with scallion slices. Heat the pot and pour oil. When the oil is hot, add fragrance. Then stir-fry in the pot. Salt. Old wine. Add water. Put the seafood fort in together. Egg white, yolk, cover the pot. Stew for an hour. 9 catties, 10 catties. Loudly publicize that people's culture has been forgotten. I gave. It's out of the pot. I'll make the tofu and meat first. Shanxia Zhonglu. Look, there's so much. I can still lie down with a new head. Do it yourself, woohoo. Amazing, amazing. You communicate so well too. Hehehe, drinking. Five seconds of peppercorns. It's hot. Make a big one, specially made black gold, that shredded claw. Yeah, big pancake is also fine. It's been stewing for an hour. It's still springy. It's not delicious if there's no lean meat at all. It's not spicy at all. This is not good. The locals are just different, so different. That tutorial book came one day 5 years ago. But this 1701. Add some boring seafood. The old days, even if it's cold, will not pass. Then, because this is the best. It's this very hot soup. Hawa hawa. The people are familiar. Open it. See, it's all ready. That's all for today's video. Like me, 20 meters. Give me some attention. Thank you, bye 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 bye.